Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 2024 collage on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here, and then we can select the 2024 collage. Okay, and then you can choose some photos or videos from your gallery you want to make as collage. And for example, I'm going to select photos from one of my album in my gallery. I'm going to select this album. Okay, and here I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery. Okay, you can choose the photo as many as you like. Okay. All right, I think that's enough guys, and we can click on next, and the collage will be created automatically by the Instagram. Okay, this is the collage guys, and I'm going to place the 2024 sticker right here. Okay, and before you upload this 2024 collage to your Instagram story, you can add music, sticker, or text. And for instance, I'm going to add music. I'm going to select this one, for instance. Okay, and now the music has been added, and then you can also add tags to your story. I'm just going to add by. Okay, then you can add animation if you want, like this. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and then you can rearrange the photo if you want guys, like this. You just need to tap and hold on the photo if you want to rearrange the location, or you can also change the frame by clicking on this photo like this. It's really cool, right? Okay, and once you're ready to share it, you just need to click on your story, and then the 2024 collage will be shared to your Instagram story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 2024 collage on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.